Hey everybody, it's Kid Gamer here, and I have a Lego set that is a Jurassic World, and I'm really excited to build this. So, you know what? Let's get started. So first of all, we have to build the pilot, which is really easy. He's a black male, which has cool goggles I've never seen before, actually. There you go. Right there. Let's put him right here. Okay, so it's number 2 bag and number 3 bag is in there. So let's start with this. Okay. Right there. This is actually kind of easy. Really, really easy to do. All the parts are scattered. Usually have everything organized. Where is that? Oh, this is a lot of parts. I personally love Jurassic World sets, and it's always been my hobby to build and build and build. So eventually, hopefully, I can be a contractor when I'm older, because I love destroying then building. So, that's kind of like my goal. Oh, wrong gun. Oh, I did that in the beginning when I built this thing. There it is. And I've been having Legos past so many years, so many. I never threw. Oh, that sign keeps on going down. Anyways, I have been having Legos since I was 3 years old, and even if the restriction says I cannot have Legos when you're 3, but I still had some because my mom was really nice, and she liked the toy too. But that's all I had, except video games, you know? So, it's actually really, I'm enjoying building because it's like a break for me. Oh. I lost that darn piece. Right there. Of course, I have to have a big family, but it's actually kind of fun and enjoying. Because all my family members love Legos. We all have Legos. It's kind of like we have a family day, just playing Legos together. It's kind of like it's kind of like a history in our family. It's like always been with us since. Six by 4. Oh. Surprisingly, this is really, really easy. So it's kind of like enjoyable. It's not like, oh, I have to get it done. It's so complicated, which there's really a lot of Lego sets that do that. Personally, I had so many Lego sets that did that to me. Of course, because I was just a little baby. No. Okay, let's see. these pieces always get lost. One piece. I need two. Has to be somewhere. What the heck? I can't find it. Maybe I can find a spare one. Darn. It's probably right in front of my face. Oh my gosh, it's right here. Darn it. I'm not used to this because I always have my Lego parts separated, organized, and everything like that. It's new, it's different because all my Lego sets are in like a little tiny bucket, and each bag is separated in every part, like a 2x2, slopes, studs. Let's see. Darn it. Halfway. No, not even. Darn it. I was just thinking, there's a lot of helicopters just like this, very similar of this construction. Like building it seems very, very similar to others, like the Lego City. There's a Lego Rescue Ocean. There's tons. It's like really similar. And pieces are everywhere. There it is. Did I already put the ones with the stickers on? That's what I did. I already put the ones with the stickers on. Like I said, I already built it. I already added all the stickers and stuff, so it's kind of like, oh, no one doesn't have it. Sticker piece. Yes. Forgot the green. It's kind of a weird color to put on a green glass. Crazy ideas. I'm not used to talking. It's my very first video. It's kind of strange, but you kind of get used to it. Eventually you will. Then it gets awkward. A lot. should be a goal. If I do post this on YouTube, I would want to get about 11 likes. 11 likes, only that. It's going in progress, you guys. Looks like a spaceship already. Right there. And I'm surprised that the propeller is huge. Man, everything is scattered. Next video, I have to organize everything. I can't do this. Can't do it all scattered. I have to get it ready. Surprising. I like everything nice and neat in shape. I feel like there's a Lego. Is this one? Is that shiny? Oh, no. Oh. Stuck in a different Lego part. Right there. 2 of these. Oh man, this is going by fast. I would say I would make this the second best Lego set because it comes with Owen, it comes with a pilot, it comes with a cage with chicken and a velociraptor, which is blue, which that's my favorite dinosaur ever. Blue, the velociraptor. The velociraptors that I wish are not extinct, even if it's dangerous. I wish it's still alive, just one, maybe even just a tiny one, not even maybe even a triceratops would work, because they're not vicious, they're not mean, they're very cute. Oh, I already put that part on. There it is. have the propeller. Oh, there it is. It's right next to it. I would say out of all the Jurassic Parks, the original first Jurassic Park was my very first one. And that, I love the characters in them, of course. The Velociraptors try to open doors. It's unthinkable. Oh, we got a tip. We got the tail for it. Oh, that doesn't go there. I never realized that. There's a big gap. Oh my gosh. I'm missing something. That's what. Oh. Wait. So. Oh my gosh, I'm getting screwed up. Okay, I got that part. I got too short. Too short? Man, I always lose the parts. Ugh. Got them switched up. These are supposed to go down here. These are supposed to go right here. Mistakes. Okay, now I have to basically restart. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, perfect. I hate redoing them. Ugh. Sometimes you just notice there's a mistake. You know you have to go back again. And it's like, one time I had to go back and I was almost finished. And it got completely ruined because I messed up one part, and one part can just screw all. Okay, this is correct now. I don't have to go back to it. Okay. I got it. Finally. It's actually in good progress. Propel, trying to propel it up. Motor. Ooh, shiny. Almost done. I can feel it. I remember this part when I was building it myself. All organized. This is fun. But sometimes, you know the feeling when you are almost done, and that kind of sucks. But eventually, if I get a new Lego set, hopefully, I don't know, no time soon, I can do another part 2 video. That'll be fun. Tiny, tiny wheels. An ant can ride on them. Oh, one more tire, one more tire. Where is it? Ah, in front of my face. Of course. Now it needs one of those invisible stuff. Oh. We got wheels. It has wheels. It has wheels. Oh. 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 I think it's pretty cool because down here you get here's a power function gear, but not always power function. It's like technic power gear. Oh darn it! And it spins the propeller, and it's like whoa. You'll see, it's really, really cool. Oh, now it's a crate. Oh, darn it. Yeah. I love the tiny egg. It's my favorite part of that whole thing. The little tiny egg. Ooh, a tranquilizer. Ooh. It's probably my first tranquilizer ever. That's awesome. Oh, now it's like a light, a giant light. It's a big light. It's like a tank light. Actually, we're getting a lot of work done. Surprisingly, it's really fast. Huh. Oh, oops, that must have fell. Let's see, what is this one? Oh, I know what this is. Right there. Man, I like how it has like a mini gun. It's kind of cool. It's like, it's green though. Must be like tranquilizer. Right here. Right here. Boom. Actually, let's load this up. Oh. That didn't really hurt. You know what? I'm gonna take this thing off. It's too crazy. Let me load it up without it shooting. What the heck? It's still shot. What? Oh, how is it still shooting? How is it still shooting? It's like, is it automatic or what? There's no batteries. Seriously? It shot me in the head. Looks like guacamole. Keeps on shooting. Okay. This isn't. That is so. It is so dumb. Oh. Got the lights messed up. Right there. I hate that. Where did the wheel go? Oh, now it's the propeller. Finally, it's not a little blaster. Finally. These are actually pretty huge. Do I stick that there? Or? Oh, yes. Right there. Right, yes. Right there. Right there. Right there. And, oh, right there. And voila! Wow, like a giant fidget spinner. Now it says to attach it on. There you go, you guys. There's the Lego Jurassic World helicopter. Man, I want you guys to go on the comment section below and put your favorite dinosaur in, okay? And you could just say its name. And I want you guys to do that for me. And please subscribe, comment down below, give that a big like, and I promise you, you're gonna have a really fun time just watching me build. Well, thank you guys for watching. I see you next time.